guys, welcome back to the new episode of Premio Talk Rugged. My name is Jesslyn, a product marketing specialist at Premio. So just recently, Premio has added 2 new models to its JCO-1000-ORN series, an Edge AI mini PC powered by the NVIDIA JCO-1000-ORN Nano and NX models. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to choose the right model for your deployments. Let's go. So just a quick refresher to those who are not familiar with the JCO-1000-ORN series. It's a lineup of ultra-compact Edge AI computers powered by the NVIDIA JCO-1000-ORN Nano and NX models. And it's very small, weighing no more than 1 kilogram and less than 1 liter of volume. And it currently has 3 models for different types of deployments. Now let's take a closer look at the differences between the 3 models. So if you compare them side by side, they might look the same, but if you look closely, there are slight differences in their IOs. Like for example, the JCO-1000-ORN-A model has 1 RJ45 LAN and 4 USB ports. But for the B model and the C models, they each have 2 LAN ports, but for the latter one, it has the M12 connectors. And another major difference between them is the GMSL support. Both the B and C models support up to 4 GMSL2 cameras, while the JCO-1000-ORN-A model does not. But it's the only model that supports out-of-band management. So let's move on to the other differences, which is the certifications. So all of the JCO-1000 series are UL certified, but for the B and C models, they are also certified with EMARC and EN 50155 EMC, and this is important for in-vehicle or railway deployments. So these differences really bring us to what we need to consider before choosing the right JCO-1000-ORN model. And it all depends on your application requirements because each deployment has specific needs that directly influence which model fits best. So first, camera requirements. If you don't need specialized camera support like GMSL, then the JCO-1000-ORN-A model might be a good fit for deployment since it still has the LAN port and also USB ports. Applications like industrial inspection or vision AI using USB or GigE cameras are still doable. Next is the deployment environment. So all the 3 models can operate in harsh environments, but if your application involves harsh mobile environments like with high vibration, the JCO-1000-ORN-C model might be a better option since it has M12 connectors. Third, connectivity needs. Your networking and I/O requirements should align with your infrastructure. Finally, compliance requirements. Regulatory needs may also determine the right fit. Many industrial and robotics applications don't require certifications, but if you plan to deploy in vehicle or railway environments, certifications like EMARC or EN 50155 or the one with EMC are often required. So how do you choose the right JCO-1000-ORN model? It really comes down to matching your camera setup, deployment environment, and connectivity needs to the right hardware. If you need a flexible, general-purpose AI edge computer using it indoor or for industrial use using USB or GigE cameras, then the JCO-1000-ORN-A model is your go-to choice. But if your application is vision-driven, like for example, you need multiple GMSL2 cameras for longer cables for your robotics and transportation systems, then the JCO-1000-ORN-B might be a better fit for that deployment. And lastly, if you're deploying in train, vehicle-based environments where rugged design and M12 connectivity are critical, then you should go with the JCO-1000-ORN-C model. At the end of the day, don't overcomplicate it. Start with your camera interface and your environment, and those 2 will quickly point you to the right model. If you're still unsure of which model to choose, please click the link below to talk to a Rugged Edge expert to get personalized recommendations. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Premio Inc. Talk Rugged, see you next time.